welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not follow me on Instagram, I actually posted that I wasn't gonna put a video last week. I wasn't feeling great with myself, and that's why I wanted to not post a video, just because, you know, if I'm putting a video, I'm portraying to you guys what I feel, and I do not want to spread sadness. I don't know, it was just that time of the month where it hit me up and I was just really sad. So I'm feeling better. I know I did mention on Instagram I was kind of lacking inspiration. Yeah, that can tend to happen because artists are like writers, where you have to constantly come up with new things, something creative. I know this is probably not creative, we've seen this everywhere, but I personally have not done this look and I wanted to try it out just because, you know, I've been loving yellow so much. I love how the yellow looks on my skin tone, how it kind of makes my brown eyes kind of pop out a little bit. I feel like a sunflower. And that's why I also wanted to do freckles again. I changed the way I did the freckles just because last time I did the freckles, it kind of wasn't that natural. It was like I had to do it quicker, but this time I took my time. I was trying to find a way to make the freckles look as natural as I could with whatever I had. I tried it the way Desi Perkins did it. It didn't work for me. I wanted to focus it more on the center of the face. So I decided to get an old toothbrush. I washed this toothbrush before using it, and now it's dirty with the makeup. And I also cut the bristles because some of them were like longer than the other ones and I needed them to be all the same length. You want to do the freckles slowly. Try not to let it dry so much because you want to press down on them so you can get them lighter, because when you apply the product straight to your face it looks dark. Also, when you set it with the powder, it also becomes a lot more natural, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, this is my natural mole. It blends in with the freckles and I really love this technique. Try it with this and just pat it if you're using the Makeup Forever Flash Color Palette. I don't talk through this video. It's very quick and easy. The only thing that takes time is the freckles. So I really hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up at the end and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye!
without ads interrupting your flow. And with offline listening.
Why is your face so dirty?
Stop! Generation next, generation next, a generation. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna that we had this conversation. I decided we should be friends. Yeah, yeah. Bring you everything, all the joy can bring. Yes, I swear, give you everything. Twist and